I'm really excited today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my mini twists. If you know me in real life, you know that I pretty much always have my hair in mini twists. It might not be clear from like my Instagram because I don't post a lot anyways, but my hair is pretty much in mini twists, and then sometimes I take it out for a few weeks. So this is how I love to wear my hair. I think it's a good protective style. I think it's easy to kind of like manage it because I can put it up in a bun, something I can't do with my hair normally because it's too thick. You can wear it in a low bun, you know, there's so many different ways you can wear it. I've tried to film this video many times throughout the years. I think the first time was about 4 years ago, second time was 2 years ago, but I just never got around to posting it, and I wasn't like happy with the kind of like how it turned out. So hopefully it's alright this time, and I hope that it's kind of like coherent enough, because the clips I'm going to show you in the video are actually from about 2-3 months ago. So not from this time when I did my mini twists, but the time before that. So that will tell you again how often I do it, because that was literally a couple of months ago, and here I am doing it again. I've actually think I did mini twists one time in between that even, so that's how often I do them. So yeah, most part of the video is going to be from when I did them 2-3 months ago, but then kind of in the middle of the video I'm going to insert clips of how I did my front section this time, because I do it in a different way. So I hope that kind of makes sense and doesn't make it too confusing. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and please let me know if you liked it. Please give me any like pointers if there are any, you know, in terms of how the video came out. I know it could be a bit more coherent, so yeah, but if there's any other things, let me know as well. Can you hear me loud enough? Because I know I tend to not speak like loud, or I have like a soft voice, so I'm trying my best. But yeah, let me know. And also, please can you follow me on my Instagram? I will definitely follow back. I'll follow back everyone who's like a girl, and especially a girl who does like natural hair just like I do, if I see it. So make sure you comment as well to say, you know, so I can follow you back. Main reason I want people to follow me on Instagram at the moment is because I really want to start posting YouTube videos again. I have so many things like I've been wanting to share for ages, and I think I kind of have like the right setting. I've got my equipment now, so I have no excuse not to film. The only frustration is on Instagram you can't share links unless you have 10,000 followers, and I have 7,000 and they're declining rapidly. So please, if you can follow me, I will follow back so that eventually I can post my links, because ain't nobody trying to go to my bio, I know that, but for now that's all I can say to people. So yeah, enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, and subscribe if you want to, like it if you want to, dislike it if you want to, comment, you know, all of those things. And yeah, let me know if I can improve it in any kind of way. Thank you, bye.
Baby, I'ma give it to you like you want me to. Let's forget about our exes. Smoke and chill.
Okay, so guys, I'm looking crazy right now. There's not really much point in me showing you like as I do all of the twists, so I'm just going to show you what I've done so far. So basically I start with the bottom part, and then I just like kind of work my way up, and as I complete the twist I just put them in like a hair tie like this, so that it kind of like stretches the root. And pick a small piece, and then I just have a look in my mirror that I've got on in front of me to see if the size looks right. So this is kind of like the type of section I do. Sometimes for the the back parts, like the ones I'm doing now, they could be a little bit bigger because it's in the back, and I usually just wear my hair up. But yeah, this is what the section looks like, and then I clip the rest out of the way. I dip my finger into the leave-in, not more than that, and then I spread it out in my hand, and then it's kind of just like to get the grip, you know, like to get a grip of the twist. but you don't want to put a lot so that it reverts the hair, because obviously I blow dried it, and if I hadn't I would have stretched it in some way. And this is why this dodgy brush comes in. This is just to make sure it's detangled, because even though it's blow dry, my hair still will manage to get tangled. So I'm making sure it's detangled from the root, and then I start twisting. So I make the section with my finger, then I look up again, and like I look in my mirror to make sure that they look even, so that it's the same amount of hair at the ends, because otherwise it gets...
Chill out with your brethren. I'ma give it to you, baby. I'ma give it to you like you want me to. I'ma give it to you like you want me to.
When I get halfway, or like a bit after, I put a tiny bit of product on my finger again, just to make sure it's not looking frizzy, and just for the grip. And then I know my ends are really thin, then I twist till about, yeah, you can see. So this I'm gonna cut. I cut till it's about this much. No, sorry, I twist till it's about that much, sorry. And then I put quite a lot of product for that small part, and then I just kind of twirl it to make it stay. Most of my ends, they don't curl up really well. I guess that means they're damaged, but there is a little bit of a curl, so that's what I do to all of the ends. You can see the ends. Yeah, and then once I've completed the twist, I just take the hair tie out, and then I add the new one. So that way the roots, it just keeps the roots stretched, and then I leave it like that. And then I do the same thing again.
I knew the heat, had to cut the instrumental, don't fall in love with the beat.
I got you caught up in my essence, gone on time for reminiscing. I'ma give it to you, baby, I'ma give it to you like you want me to. Let's forget about our exes, smoke and chill out with your brethren. I'ma give it to you, baby, I'ma give it to you like you want me to. When loving cools, I don't see the problems, let them have it all. Oh, 'cause I don't see them, yeah. We took our time, I know we're needing this.
Hi guys, this is me 2 or 3 months after the other clips that I recorded, so I'm doing mini twists again. I'm just including this to show you how I do the front sections. I do them differently partly because I want it to look neater in the front sections, but mainly because I've got so much damage in the front. So if I just show you, my hair is thinning a lot and it's very uneven, so some parts are randomly quite long. If you can see, oh, it's mirrored. Yeah, so it's basically all different lengths. Some parts like this one you can see is very thin, so I've used quite a large section, and it's not a lot of hair still, because otherwise there would just be nothing to twist. So basically what I do different for the hairline area is I use the edge wax to kind of make it look more neat, and then I also plait the beginning of the twist. So I'm obviously inserting more footage where I show you how I do one, and then just wanted to show you the rest completed on camera. So hopefully you can see. I'll just take these down as well. As you can see, they're a bit uneven. That's because I just don't have a lot of hair here. As I said, some are quite long, like this. It's long, and then ooh, it's mirrored. Sorry, I don't know which one on, because I haven't got a mirror. Yeah, so some are quite long, some are quite short, but this is how I have to do it literally to have something to even twist. So yeah, if you've got similar issue to me, your hairline is just thinning. By the way, I have no clue why, but yeah, you've got a hairline that's like thinning, or the hair is just thinner here, or you just want it to look extra neat, I would recommend doing it this way. So I just plait the beginning, and then after like an inch or so, or like 2 centimeters, I start twisting. You might have to borrow a bit of hair. So this is another reason to not do it in your whole head of twist, because obviously that can again cause tangles and using edge wax. I would just do it in the front. I also do it in the 2 bottom twists on each side, because my hair is really short there and it like mats up and it gets single strand knots. So it's just to try and keep it in the twist, because obviously if you twist and it's not a lot of hair, like it's just gonna come out easier. And then after a week or so, I retwist it if needed. So yeah, that's how I do the front. Then I'm gonna continue with the rest.
On top of reminiscing, I'ma give it to you, baby. I'ma give it to you like you want me to. Let's forget about our exes. Smoke and chill out with your brethren. I'ma give it to you, baby. I'ma give it to you like you want me to. When loving cools, I don't see the problems. Let them have it all. Oh, 'cause I don't see them, yeah. We took our time, I know we're needing this. Oh, you're achieving it. Mentally, we have our reasons, yeah. Oh, so let them go. Don't let them bad vibes get involved. I'll please you from your head to your toes. You know. Have you never?
So that is all sections done. I'm gonna put this back on that side and take all of them out. So these haven't been like stretched like the other parts have, because I finished the back sections last night. So they've already been stretched and dried, but this is what one side is looking like. Okay guys, so this is the twist completely done. I don't usually wear it out because I find that it looks a little bit too thin, and I have some like really uneven parts because of damage. But looking at it now, it actually has improved a lot from the last time I did twists, and usually each time I do them my hair has gotten worse. So something is going right, thank God. Let me move back so you can see the length. Obviously I did this on blow dried hair, so I guess I've retained most of the length. I do use a product which is water based, so but as I said, I just put a tiny bit on my hands just for the, you know, to not have that much frizz and to get some like grip when you're twisting, and obviously to moisturize the hair as well. I only put that one product in, and that I find that keeps my hair moisturized through like pretty much the whole time when I keep it in twist as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite protective style is, and if you do mini twists, and how do you usually style them. Like, do you wear them out or do you wear them up like I usually do? Thank you, bye.
Plus, you know my touch can leave you.